So you've done the healing protocol that we laid out for about 2 or 3 weeks. Your elbow's feeling great, and it works so great, you're probably going to stop doing it. That's just kind of how it works. So what is it we need to do to prevent this from happening? Well, as they say, an ounce prevention is worth a pound of the cure. What we had to do to fix it is a lot more work than it is for us to prevent from happening in the future. I would recommend starting out each session, rubbing that liniment on your elbow, making sure that we have that localized factor. It's already there. Think about it like a vitamin or some type of like prophylactic. So then what we're going to do, we're going to take our banded exercise that we laid out. We're going to do 10 to 15 reps each side. You don't have to worry about going through and tying it down. You're going to go through. You're going to go from cup of soup to pro basketball player, right? You're going to go from pro basketball player to cup of soup. You're going to do 10 to 15 reps on each side. And then you're going to go through and you're going to keep setting up your targets, soaking down all that. You'll have lots of like fluid. You'll be warmed up. And then we're not going to see those injuries start to flare up for you. I would also recommend at least once a week, preferably twice a week, at the end of a throwing session, that you go through, tack it down, and at least the position that you found gives you the best bang for the buck. Like I said, it's probably the elbow, but you can go above and below as well, and hit your 10 to 15 reps, and kind of do that as a once a week minimum sort of thing. Again, the problem with these protocols is people find that they work so well that they're not paying, they just stop doing them. How well does the healing protocol that we laid out work? A couple of years ago, I went and visited Danger at his place. His elbows hurt him so bad, he was thinking he was going to have to give up throwing. Went through, showed him how to do this, did it to him, and it was definitely uncomfortable. Noticed immediate relief. The next day, threw without pain. Did it maybe once or twice that week, and never did it again. And his elbow has been fine for about a year and a half. He's just kind of started to notice that it's bugging him a little bit. So you'll notice an immediate relief. When I saw this the first time, I resisted for a long time. And I remember I was just ready to go through and have anything work. So I wrapped it up. And the entire time I was doing the Brujo band, I told myself, this is stupid. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. But I was desperate. And I noticed an immediate relief. Immediately that pain felt much better. And then within a week or so, it was gone. So we got this made. We sell this because we believe in the product. Below, you'll find that we have a kit so that you can go through and just grab a Brujo band, grab some of these physio bands, so you can get that target thing. It's something you toss in your bag and toss in your car and have at the office, do on your coffee break. It really is kind of a game changer. I'm also going to leave a code below so that you can get the Tiger Enters the Forest, Leaves the Forest, the Jow from Dr. Dale Dugas. It's just the best out there. It's not greasy, it doesn't smell, and it just works better than everything else I've tried. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, get at me. Life's too short to be in vain. Hit me up on IG, leave a comment below.